Okay guys, so just yesterday my H10 recoloring ANC headphone by MPOW came in, and I'm honestly really excited to just try these out. So according to a lot of people, these are probably the best headphones you can buy for active noise cancellation. So they're basically the best value for money ones. And their active noise cancellation is comparable to many high-end headphones, including the ones that Sony makes, Bose makes. Now, MPOW says that these have up to 30 hours of battery life, which is honestly pretty insane. It's really nice because you don't have to charge in between. Also, considering that they have micro USB instead of USB-C, and literally I only use USB-C at my place, so I won't have to charge these that much. And they also claim that these take noise cancellation down to 32 decibels. So now, just as a reference point, 30 decibels is how quiet it is in like a quiet rural area. So about basically 30 decibels would be about this quiet. Yeah, it's pretty quiet, right? So I'm just gonna try these on right now once I open them up, just to see if what they're claiming is true. And to make sure, I'll test these out for a couple of weeks and release a full review stating whether or not I personally feel that everything they're saying about these headphones is true. So on the back you can see over here that they have Bluetooth version 4.1. They have a 500 milliamp hour battery capacity, and their charging is 5 volts at 1 amp, and that basically means that it's just you can use like any 5-watt charger, like any, like it's slow charging, you can use any charger with it. Charging times are 2 to 3 hours, which is, it could be better. And it has a 10-meter range, so you can walk away from whatever device is connected to up to 10 meters and it'll still be going. So on the side they have just a nice image of the headphones. I got these in cloudy beige. Alright, so I think we should start unboxing. So they come in this little box over here. Box is covered with a sleeve. I'm just gonna put this aside for now. Underneath they have a black and red box. Honestly, I really like this. Alright, let's go open up the box now. So inside the box is just this case, and you can probably tell that the headphones are inside. I can feel them. Packaging is pretty minimal, it's not anything special. I'm gonna put these aside for now, see what else is in the box. So inside we also have charging cable, and it seems like we also have a 3.5mm jack to a 3.5mm jack connector. So basically, I guess you can use these headphones not only with Bluetooth, but also if you have 3.5mm jack on your phone. A lot of the phones nowadays ditch the 3.5mm jack, so most of you guys will probably be buying this for Bluetooth use. So I'm gonna leave this aside. Inside you have probably the manual, something like that. So basically it says you can connect the headphones to computer, phone, anything. This is their card. some warnings. And this instruction manual. Pretty simple, nothing special here. Okay, now let's get to this bag. Alright. So here are the headphones. This is the bag once again. Nothing else inside. I'm just gonna put this aside. Alright, so it seems that you can tilt the cups like this, like so. You can't tilt them all the way around, but I would say about maybe 90 degrees or so. So they are foldable. Just click them into place. Yeah, so you can tilt the cups about 90 degrees, both of them. They have a really nice matte finish to them. You probably can't tell, or maybe you can, but it's really nice. They are plastic, but very premium feeling. And this is claimed to be memory foam, I believe. And honestly, it's not anything special. It's just really soft foam. It doesn't really hold whatever shape you press onto it. It does feel soft though. Although this material at the top, this feels much softer, and it seems to have also like a rubber matte coating or whatever on it, and it is foam too. On the inside there's also a matte coating, and basically these headphones feel really nice. They really do feel nice. So we got buttons over here. Power button, volume up and down button, or probably to skip is probably like a double tap. ANC, you can turn it on and off. Then there's a 3.5 jack over here if you want to connect the wire, and that's a micro USB charging port. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go get my phone and we'll test these out. Okay, so I'm back now to try on the headphones. I've got my phone over here with me. It's gonna turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, that's done. Now I'm just gonna turn these on, and basically just to turn them on, you just hold the power button. Okay, so just even putting them on, I'm noticing even without the ANC that it's also reducing the noise quite a bit on its own. Before I connect it to my device, I'm just gonna test the ANC right now. And yeah, it's definitely working. So with the ANC on right now, I can actually almost, yeah, I really can't hear anything. I can barely hear my own voice right now. If I snap my finger like this, it almost feels like I'm hearing the echo of a snap, not actually the snap itself. So now I'm just going to turn the ANC off again. And I can hear some noises outside, and I can clearly hear myself. Now taking the headphones off completely, it's so much more louder. It's like I can hear everything 2 times as loud, but I'm not actually putting more effort into how loud I'm talking right now. Okay, so now I'm just going to pair them with my device. Alright, so I apologize if there's any change in the framing right now. Basically, I couldn't pair the headphones in the beginning because I didn't know how. I'm used to just turning on like any Bluetooth headphones or earbuds, and then they just go straight to pairing mode, and then I can just pair them on my phone. But for whatever reason, these ones you have to hold the power button for an extra 2 seconds after they turn on just to pair it. So now they're all paired and good. So I'm just going to place some OG Alligator just to see how they sound. So first I'm just going to try it without noise cancellation, and then I'll turn the noise cancellation on and I'll describe what it feels like to you. Okay, so it sounds really good. There's a very good amount of bass, and obviously that's expected because headphones tend to have really good bass. So now I'm just going to turn on the noise cancellation and see how it sounds. Just going to skip through the song a bit. Alright, so with the noise cancellation on, it's actually way better. The noise cancellation really isolates the sound and everything, and it really creates deeper basses, and it gives you like much richer tones to the sound, or it makes it feel like that at least. So now earlier in the video I talked about how these headphones are a great value for money buy if you're looking for active noise cancellation headphones, and for now at least I agree with that, but it's still good to know that the price isn't super duper cheap. They start at $60 US or $90 Canadian plus tax on Amazon, and honestly I would say they're worth it, but then for some people it's still a little bit pricey. So I'll obviously do a full review with these for a couple of weeks, test them out, see what happens, and I'll give you a much detailed look into what it feels like to use these in like a day-to-day life, and I'll go into like the specs and build quality materials a little bit more. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Obviously like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about these guys, and also what you think of the video. Any feedback is greatly appreciated. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys later.